Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Bagadon at Stock Market Caddy, and today is August 1st. August 1st, the day after the Fed. Did you notice how they got the Fed in and out? They got the patient out of the operating room all in one piece, thank goodness. You know, the queen bees. Who are the queen? You know, the queen bee is the Federal Reserve, the titular head of the banking cartel. The bankers, the fraudsters, they're going to do everything they can to protect the queen bee. So on Fed Day, everybody got themselves all in a lather. Now the Fed is gone and they're dumping. Yes, they are. Today is August 1st. It's 1:18. I am Bagadon at Stock Market Caddy, and let me show you something. At 10:10 this morning, our members, let me put that back. Our members got the signal at 10:10 that the VIX was going long. On a 5-minute interval at 10:15, 5 minutes later, you could have used about $1,500 of margin and you'd have $4,500 in your pocket. How much is that, folks? 200, 300, over 300%. At 10:15, 5 minutes later, same time as the ES, you could have used $1,950 in your futures account, and you could have turned roughly $2,000 into $11,000. What is the return on that? 500% in a couple of hours. At 10 a.m. this morning, on the Russell, 3,200. The Dow, 3,200. Oil futures, 1,460, and even selling the Bitcoin. Collectively, 5,000. That's 16,000, 19,000, some $20,000 using one mini contract. If you had used a micro contract, you would be up 2,000. If you had placed, as an example, if you had placed a micro here, you'd be up 1,100. One mini, 11,000. If you had used 10, which would have been $19,000, roughly $20,000 in margin, you would be up over $112,000. If you used options and knew how to use options, you could have protected your portfolio. Because you see, folks, we expect much, much more. September is sometimes the worst month of the year. Historically, it is. Are you prepared? If you want to learn how to play your own game, whatever that game is, you define it. But if you're listening to folks that say that you cannot time the markets, you cannot trade the markets, well, then I guess you won't time or trade the markets. We do, day in and day out. Be sure to visit stockmarketcaddy.com. Send us your questions, and you're also welcome to call any day from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Even weekends, 813-758-8263. I'm Bagadon, and I wish you the best. Have fun.